First off, thank every one of you for coming out and supporting the Airshow here at Eielson Air Force Base. We are truly in for a treat today, and we're going to have some very special Eielson Air Force Base drivers that you might even know. And we're going to see what 3,000 plus horsepower can do. Burnouts and drag racing, getting ready to get it away. And there's our first burnout on the right. And down on the left. Oh, those guys are having way too much fun. There you go. All right. Way too much fun. First up, we're going to see Lane and Logan laying some rubber down on the flight line that you're seeing right now. In our first race, you will see Adam in his 2021 Super Stock, which is pushing 807 horsepower, versus his boss, Steven, in a 2014 Viper GTS, which has 640 horsepower. They'll be racing on show right. Oh, and the Alaska Trooper already got him one, huh? There goes our first race down the runway. And Alaska's finest right behind me. Yeah, that ticket's going to cost a lot. An excellent race between our first two competitors. Our second race is going to hit home for a lot of men and women at Eielson Air Force Base. We have our very own 354th OSS Airfield Operations Flight Commander, Captain DB, racing a 2020 Red-Eye Challenger with 797 horsepower. He's racing 354th OSS Deputy Airfield Manager, Master Sergeant Eric Rhodes, in a 2019 Hellcat with 707 horsepower. And the bet is whoever wins gets the day off. That's right, 208 horsepower. Jeans Chrysler had a very hard time finding a vehicle equal enough to compete with such a high-performance vehicle, so after extensive looking and searching, they came up with their 2020 ProMaster parts van. This front-wheel drive animal pushes out 280 horsepower. Dean says if they feel like they win, they should get an incentive. I guess that's only fair. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. What'd you think of that? Was that amazing? We here at Jeans Chrysler enjoy bringing you this fun entertainment, so please put your hands together for these guys. The Fast and Furious Parade here at the Arctic Lightning Center. curtain. All right, rock and roll. At least a 74 is number, you can actually work on your Alaska's finest with us out here today. Great to have them here.